Pyrotect as a business offers a UK-wide passive fire protection service. We do intumescent paintwork to steel, which is a protective coating that in the event of a fire will expand and protect the steel from the heat and subsequent collapse. The main element of our works is the fire stopping to service penetrations through compartment walls. If a fire starts, it must be restrained in the area to which it starts if it's within a compartment line, and we return to the building after the services and seal the service penetrations so that the compartment line is maintained. Lastly, the third element of works that we do is cavity barriers, whether that be to the perimeter for the gaps that are created between a curtain walling and the structural slab, or in roof voids and ceiling spaces where the compartment lines are maintained.
Well, we're an established business. We've been going 20 years. We've looked to the accreditations and the certification side of things to enhance our reputation in the industry. So we're ISO 9001, we are FARS accredited, we're Achilles. So we tick a lot of boxes for your top 10 UK main contractors.
We're working with the CITB and we get a lot of help regarding training through them. We built our in-house training wall. We want to make sure that our guys, when they land on site, that they are fully qualified, that will ensure that they do the best job possible.
Every Pyrotect operative, they visit the Pyrotect offices, and there's a firewall that we use, and each person, they will work to a designated formula for each individual item that we'll do on site. So that they'll be trained up, and everybody will actually do stuff to the same degree, so there'll be no difference from site to site.
You know, we're trying to work with the customers on the kind of issues they have on their projects to ensure they're getting the service that they need from us. Also making sure that we record accurately the works that we have done, which will ensure that they can then pass that on to their customer and they don't have any issues with the work that we have done, and just making sure we've got a smooth process.
They've got confidence that we can deliver a project for them now, and we're still going to be here in 10 years' time. Pyrotect is going to still be here. We're not a company that's set up and they're going to be gone and reforming or anything like that. And you know, we've got confidence with the manufacturers behind us. You know, they've traded with us for 20 years, so we deal with some of the biggest suppliers in the UK. As well as the contractors.
Getting to number one, which I believe that we are now, I think all our operatives work in the same way. They know what the company wants, and the company know what the operatives and the supervisors can actually perform. So on site, it's a win-win situation all round.
All about the people, and it's all about completing the project in a timely and effective manner.
We feel that if we demonstrate a commitment to the labour and are shown to spend the money to give them all the tools to do the job, then I feel that they're going into an environment with confidence, and that confidence will be then shown to the client, where he's then going to get confidence that he's got people on that site that are going to give him what he wants, when he wants, and to the quality that he needs. And I think that's been another big development for us, which again we're very proud of.